Yes, Samna.
Ma'am, identify the omnivore from the following.
Read the option.
Option A tiger,
Hmm.
option B cow,
Hmm.
option C deer,
Not
option
deer, deer. It's
D,
deer.
option D human being.
Okay, so from
Ma'am, it's
tiger,
human being.
cow, deer, and human being, which is the omnivore?
Human being.
Human being. Okay, so the first one answer is human being.
Human
C.
being.
Okay, note down. First one answer is D. Devananda, please mute your audio. Okay. Now, Bhuvanalashmi, can you read the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, some more loud.
What do we call the animals that eat only plants parts as their food?
Okay, read the question once again properly.
What do we call the animals that eat only plants part as their food?
Okay, read the option.
Option A, carnivores. Option B, omnivores. Option C, herbivores. And
Parasites. And the D,
Ma'am,
parasites.
answer is
Okay.
herbivores.
Parasite
Herbivores.
is a type of.
Herbivores.
Okay.
Ma'am, herbivores.
So the second one answer is herbivore. Those who are reading the question, they have to say the answer. All others listen properly. Don't unmute and don't scream out the answers. Okay. Divyansh and Krishnaveni, you have to you just write the answers in a rough book. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Today after the class, I will send the notes. You can write down the question and the notes there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So second one, what do we call? That is herbivores. C. Answer is C. Option C.
Ma'am,
Next one, Helen. Third one.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Amal.
Ants cannot make their own food.
Parasite. Parasite is a one type of insects that lives in the body of the other animals. Okay, lives on the body of the other animals. They are called parasites. Okay. Helen, read it.
Dash cannot make their own food.
Okay, dash
Animals.
cannot make their own. Yes, what is the answer?
Animals.
Okay, so write down. Fourth one. Amal Krishna, switch on the video. Cheryl, read the fourth one.
On other animals, carnivore.
See, read it once again. I did not hear.
Are animals that feed on other animals.
Dash are animals that feed on other animals. Yes. What are they?
Carnivore.
Carnivores. Okay. Carnivores. Fifth one. Resin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Give any one example of carnivores. Answer tiger.
Any one. Okay. Tiger. Anyone else? Other example, can you say it?
Lion. Yes, ma'am. Lion.
Tiger, lion.
Leopard.
Okay, wolf, fox, likewise you can write. Okay, so I am giving here simple answer, tiger.
How much examples we should write?
One example is only asked. Okay, one example. You can write it.
It's fifth one.
Okay, fifth. That is fifth one. I wrote it as 5.
Ma'am, you wrote it as 6.
No, one small. One small. This one is there. Okay, that I will correct.
Ma'am, I write lion.
Okay. No problem. That is also correct. Sixth one. Sixth one question. Aniha, read the sixth one question.
Name the omnivore.
Aniha.
Name the.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
Are you reading? We can't hear you. Fast.
Name the.
Don't waste time.
Name the omnivore shown in the picture.
Name the omnivore shown in the picture. What is the name of that?
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Can you say the spelling? Last day I put the spelling test, right? Say it loud. I can't hear.
SQRL.
SQRREL. Squirrel. Okay. Seventh one. Complete the following. Is that question? Seventh question.
Yes, ma'am.
Rommel, please read the seventh question.
Complete the following.
Read it.
Complete the following. Herbivores. Types of animals.
No. The main question is types of animals based on eating habits. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Which all are there?
Herbivores, carnivores,
Okay. So I am writing the answer of B and C. Okay. Omnivore. Then C.
carnivores.
Okay. Herbivore. Otherwise, you can write carnivore. Then you can write this one.
Omnivore.
Also. Yes. That is good. Okay. So carnivores, then omnivore. Okay, Naifa.
Ma'am, in the order we want to write, or we can write first omnivores and second
Okay, so
carnivores.
if you are following a order, you can remember it fast, no? That is why I told to write first Herbie, then Carni, then Omni.
Okay, ma'am.
If you are changing the order, then also no problem, but it will be difficult for you to remember it. That's all. Okay. Naifa, read the true or false.
Ma'am.
Okay, true or false. I think true or false. True or false, it is not started, right? That portion is not started. Okay. Okay, this much is there. Now
Okay.
we can, everybody after completing it, take the textbook. Is it over? Have you copied these answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Shall I
ma'am.
stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am. We have copied these answers. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Everybody
ma'am,
completed?
ma'am,
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
last class,
We have
ma'am told-
completed.
Amna,
Ma'am.
what you want, Amna?
Ma'am, when the last class, ma'am, tell to read from that ants have sharp senses of smell. Ma'am, tell.
It's not here.
Last
It's
class.
not clear what I told.
In the last class, ma'am told to everyone read the textbook 3 times.
Okay. So now in the last class, we learned about the different types of animals based on their food habit. That it is over. Now, see, you might have seen dogs were used by the police to find out the thieves, right?
Yes,
Dogs,
ma'am.
dogs are used to the police to find out the thieves. Why they are using dogs? Can
Ma'am,
anybody
because
say?
they can smell
Because they are
easily.
sharp.
Everyone
Food
mute
they
Have sense
your
to
eat
smell.
different stuffs
mute
and
your
eat
audio. Close your textbook. Don't read it from the textbook. So my question is, those who know the answer, they can tell me. Okay. See, dogs were used by the police to find out the thieves. Why they are using it so? Cheryl,
Ma'am, can I?
Cheryl,
Ma'am,
it's not clear. It is not clear. Yes, Rasin.
they have
Dogs have sense to smell.
Okay, Rasin, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Dogs have sense to smell.
Sharp sense. Okay, sharp sense
Okay,
to
ma'am.
smell. Dogs have sharp sense to smell. That is why we are using dogs for finding out the thieves or any other things. Okay, so and another thing, if we are taking food and going outside and if we sit there for eating that, the crows or any other birds will come and sometimes they will
Yes,
steal
ma'am.
the food from us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. So how they saw this? They are flying much above in the sky. So as we are taking the food and sitting outside,
ma'am, because these birds
Yes,
have
They
ma'am.
have sharp eyesight.
okay, because they have sharp eyesight. Okay, and their eyesight is better than us. So birds
Yes,
have
ma'am.
sharp eyesight. Dogs have sharp sensors for smelling. And you might have wondered, if you put some sugar on the ground, that time itself all the ants will come to that point
Yes,
to
ma'am.
eat it, right?
Sometimes it will happen in our house.
Smell.
Yeah, that is all happen in our house. So why they saw
Ma'am,
that
because
this one? Why they saw this sugar on the
and
ground?
they can smell.
Ma'am, they have sharp sense
They
to
have
smell.
sharp
Yeah,
sense
they
to
also ants also have sharp sense to
sharp
smell.
sense to smell.
Okay, when we see these old things, we can understand that ants have some special sense for smelling, like the dogs. And in the same case, these birds, which all are flying very high, they have sharp eyesight. That is why the eagle or the crow, which is flying very high, much above the ground, come to the ground to take the small chick, right? Have you seen it?
Ma'am, Hulk also.
Ah, yes,
Yes.
falcon also, these also. Okay, so like this, and this cats can see even in the darkness. Okay, so these are the main features of animals. So here we want to understand in these animals have special senses. Their sensing capacity is more than us human being. So let me ask Atulya, not Atulya, Anupama, read the textbook, page number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody listen. This is all about this one. Okay, Atulya, read it.
Okay, ma'am. What does a cow eat? Does it eat termites
Not
like
that
the...
one. That it is over, no?
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
one. I understand.
Okay, ma'am. Now, let us learn how animals find food themselves from their surroundings.
Okay.
If we happen to split some sugar on the
Please
floor...
listen, read it properly. If we
Happened.
Mm.
To spill some
Spill.
sugar.
To spill. Spill
To
means
spill,
it falls down accidentally. That is called spill. Yes.
spill some sugar on the floor. Within minutes, it would be surrounded by ants. How do they find it? They can smell it. If
They
we
can
sit
smell it. That is question. They can smell it.
They can
Read it.
smell it. If we sit outside the house or school to have some food, a crow may fly down and take away our food.
Okay.
Birds can see things from
can
far
read?
away.
Okay. Underline. Birds can see things from far away. Underline.
Okay, ma'am.
Rommel, read it.
Next one.
Rommel, read it. Read it. Rommel.
You unmuted me.
Rommel.
Birds can see things from far away. So
Underline. Yes.
they notice the food on our plate, even when they fly high in the sky or sit on a tree far away from us.
Okay. You are not reading at home, right? And that is why I am taking reading test. Read it from that paragraph onwards. Read it fast.
Birds can see things from far away, so they notice the food on our plate, even when they fly high in the sky or sit on a tree far away from us.
Okay.
Next, ma'am.
Rommel, read it.
Animals find their food with the help of their senses. Their senses are far stronger than
Okay,
ours.
so underline, animals find their food with the help of their senses. Okay, so these senses help them to find out their food. As the birds are snatching food from our hand, right? And in the same way, the dogs can get the smell of the flesh or something far from the place. Then also they can come to that place and they will snatch it. So what helps the animals to take food? Senses. Okay, animal find their food with the help of their senses. Underline it.
Okay, ma'am.
Rommel, read it.
Can we smell the sugar kept in a container inside the cardboard? No,
Cupboard, inside the cupboard.
no, but ants can. This strong sense of smell helps them to find their food.
So which animal is having strong sense of smell? Enovin? Which animal, which insect is having strong sense of smell? Ants. Okay. Sachin, continue it.
Listeners,
Yes.
their food in the same way birds can find food with the help of their sharp eyes. Have you seen a cat?
So underline, birds can find food with the help of their sharp eyes. Underline it. So these all are important points. Okay. Yes.
Have you seen a cat waving its ears when we make a
Scratching sound.
Scratching sound on the table or ground? They have a sharp sense of hearing.
Okay, underline, they have a sharp sense of hearing. Not only hearing, they have sharp sense of sight also. Okay, so Jelin, Shaiju, read it.
Do you remember reading about birds and beaks and the
Okay,
shafts of
Jalin, stop it. So much sounds are coming out of your.
Can I, ma'am, please?
1 minute, Rudra, read it. No. Jalin, Elizabeth, read it.
do this helps them to find their prey. Do you remember reading about birds and beaks and that the shapes of beaks are suitable for the food they eat?
Do you remember? Do you remember? Last year I taught you different birds in the chapter birds.
Yes, ma'am.
Different, they are beaks, different types of their beaks and different types of their claws, sharp nails on their feet. Are you remember that one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these all beaks are their beaks are different. Their claws are different. Why? That all suitable for their how to
Ma'am,
find
can
out
I
the
now
food.
read?
Okay, how to find out the food? Accordingly, their beaks and the claws are all formed. So ducks have a which type of leg? Claws?
Flat.
What all thing? Flat. Webbed feet. They have webbed feet. Okay, which help them to
Walk.
swim through the water. Okay.
Swim through the
Eagles,
water.
how is the claws of the eagles?
Sharp.
Okay, sharp.
Curved.
Okay, sharp and curved. Sharp, curved claws. So these all help them to find out their food. Okay, read it.
Similarly,
Elizabeth.
Similarly, have you ever observed the teeth of a crow?
Teeth of a cow. Teeth of a cow.
How? Is it different from that of a dog? Cows have a flat teeth, but dogs and cats have a sharp pointed teeth. Why are they different? It is because the food they eat is different.
Romal, read it. So here you have to underline. Okay. How is the teeth of a cow?
Flat.
Flat. Okay. Why its teeth are flat?
Ma'am, they eat grass.
Grass.
To,
They only eat the plants.
okay. Though they eat the plant. So cows have flat teeth. But when we see the teeth of the dogs and all, they have sharp teeth. Why they have sharp teeth?
Because they are eating meat.
Okay, they have to tear. They have to tear the flesh. Their food is, they are carnivores. They have to eat the flesh of the animal. So their teeth is made like this. For tearing the flesh, for eating the flesh of other animals. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, read it.
Okay, ma'am.
Cow eat grass. They need flat teeth to grind the plants part. Dogs and cats eat fresh. They need sharp teeth to
Issa, read it. Romal, you have to read it, okay? Don't read like this. Isha, read it.
Why
Can I
are,
now?
why are they different? It is because the food they eat is different. Cows eat grass.
Okay. Why are they different? Why the teeth of cow and dogs are different? Because the food they eat is different. Underline. Okay, read it.
They need flat teeth to grind the plant parts. Dogs and cats eat flesh. They need sharp teeth to tear the flesh. A rabbit has strong front teeth.
Okay, underline. Why they have strong front teeth?
go bite the carrots.
These help the rabbit to bite food like carrot easily. Their food is carrot
Next
like
can
that.
read, ma'am.
Carrot.
Next,
Okay,
Jill,
Amna, read
should you
it.
read?
Amna,
Okay,
read.
ma'am. Okay,
See,
ma'am.
Amna.
Some animal use their tongue to sense
Not
the
tongue, not tongue, tongue.
tongue
Tongue.
to sense
Show
the
your
prey.
tongue. Show your tongue. So you know the part of the body. See.
Some animals use their tongue to sense their prey as well as to catch them. For example, frog and lizards.
So
Snakes
have you
have
seen it? Frogs and lizards are there at your home, right? So have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
seen the lizards, how they are catching their prey?
Insects.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So by using their tongue is sticky tongue. So when they put out their tongue, the small insects will stick on their tongue. That is
Okay.
their food. Okay. So
Snakes
underline
have
that also. Read it.
Snakes have many senses that help them to find their food. They sense the movement and smell of their prey.
Okay, how? So in this paragraph, there's different types of animals and how they are finding out the food for them. So
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
explain it tomorrow also. Read it. Okay.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
between, every day I will take some, I will spend some time for reading because you
Ma'am,
are
you will
not
send
reading it
workbook
properly.
notes. You will send workbook notes.
That let me see. Okay. So shall I
Bye,
wind up
ma'am.
today's session? Read
Bye,
it.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.